Make sure it's always firm. There's no shake, no play in it, you know. As much tension as possible. That's what make it work, you know what I mean? Safety at all times. Two-cat generator and a Hotshot. Non-CDL Hotshot. So you don't have to have your CDL to be out here making money from these. You just need to have these units. And you can be out here making your money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah man, big shout out to Sam. This is Sam's Hotshot. I'm getting my Hotshot soon, but I started out with Sam's Hotshot. You know, he showed me a lot of things. He showed me. You know, I'm grateful for the opportunity also, you know. Yeah. He keep it real with me, 100. Never try to hide anything from me. I'm going to respect that. You know what I'm saying? You know, I find a lot of people these days that's going to do things like that, you know what I mean? It's going to keep it real and show you that respect. I'm fixing this right here. You know what I'm saying? This one. I just need to just give it a hook. It ain't going to go nowhere, but you know, I like to always just give it a little hook. Somewhere I know that it's alright. You know? It'll be alright. That's good right there. But yeah, you know what I mean? So big shout out to Sam. Sam, big shout out. You know what I'm saying? And if you're looking for work with a Hotshot or a semi-truck, you can link One Rocket Transport. You know? They got it real good. Yeah, they take care of the units, and yeah, and they treat you real, you know what I mean? They treat you right. Yeah. So the semi trucks, except for like the low boys and stuff and the step decks, they out here, they're making the money, like, you know what I mean? But otherwise from otherwise from the low boys, the step decks and the Hotshots, the other chucking like the van and the reefers and stuff, and in general they're not making much money. So if you're coming out here, I would suggest look into those areas so you can get the best for your time, you know what I mean? Yeah man, don't come out here and waste no time. I'm telling you, I've been in this game for what, like 5 years now, you know? And yeah, flatbed has always been the thing. They pay more, so why go for less? Go for more at all times. Some people don't like to do the work, but it's not much work. I'm telling you that, and it keep you fit. So get your money and look into these areas and do the thing. See that beautiful sunshine? You know what that means? It's crunch time. All right.